Hi again, welcome to a new video in this course. Today we will be talking about how to draw the horizontal alignment. So when I'm saying the horizontal alignment, as I said, it's the top view of the road, so I'm going to draw the road from the top view. Then we can find the profile. Okay, so before beginning, I just want to make some stuff clearer for my work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color of the contour lines. As you can see, the color is not preferable for me, so I'm gonna change the minor. So I click here and then edit surface style, then I go to display and I can change you can change the color. So let's say that I want this color. Yeah, much better. Yeah, this way I can see better. As you can see, yeah. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to change the interval. I don't want it that big. Okay, this is for me when I work. Okay, so for you guys, if you want to change it, it's up to you. So I'm gonna make it here. I'm gonna put 6. Look at the contour map now. You see, it becomes easier to be used. Alright, okay. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to settings, surface styles. No, not surface styles, label styles, contour, and existing major. I'm going to change this to 2, text height. Then I'm going to change this to 1. I don't want them to be so big. I just wanna enjoy drawing the horizontal alignment. Okay, so before we beginning, I need to give you some extra information about the horizontal alignment. So what's known about the horizontal alignment, that when you want to draw horizontal alignment, you need to keep in mind that you don't go vertically, I mean perpendicularly to the contour lines. So suppose that you're going to draw a horizontal alignment. You cannot, let's start here. Say you want to draw a road. Just let me show you. So you want to draw a road from here to here. Okay, you cannot just cross those contour lines. As you can see, you have crossed them perpendicularly. This way it's like you are cutting a mountain, so it doesn't work this way. So if you want to draw it properly, you need to make sure that you are moving parallel to the contour lines like this. It's parallel. See? Okay? Parallel. Try to be parallel as much as you can. Alright? So this is one of the things that you need to keep in your mind. The other thing is, when you want to make a horizontal alignment, try not to keep it like 5,000 meters without making an edge curve. What do I mean by that? So suppose you have this horizontal alignment, this road. Okay, try not to make this one, try not to make it more than 5,000 meters. Okay, to avoid accidents. So you should make this less than 5,000 meters. Then you need to make a horizontal curve. Okay, so suppose that this is like 400 for 400 meters, and you don't want to reach the limitations, okay, to the upper limit. So you just do this and you make a horizontal curve, okay. So this is just a drawing to make some explanation to my point. So if you are going to draw a road, don't draw straight road, or don't make a straight road for more than 5,000 meters, or this could cause accidents because the driver might feel boring. Then this way he might fall asleep or not focusing or lose control. Okay, so this is all for the human mind. Alright? Okay, so let's get back to the AutoCAD now. I hope you got my points. Okay, so let's begin drawing. Suppose that we want to draw a line from here to, let's see here. Okay, alright, so let's try draw it. So the first thing we are gonna do is we go to the alignment creation tools, we go to the design criteria, we are going to use 100 kilometer per hour, hit use criteria based design, okay, choose 2004, okay, and we're going to give it 8%, and it's going to be 4 lanes. Okay, so let's give it a name. Let's say this is exam 1, and let's hit OK. After that, you're going to see this alignment creation tools. We have talked about it in the previous video, so I'm going to use tangent with curves. Then I'll begin my drawing. Okay, so I'm going to full screen it. Just hold on. Okay, alright, so let me try to draw it. I'm gonna start from here. Nope, not here. From here, yes. Yeah. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning station of my road or my way. Then I'm going to make this and take my way along this side. I'm trying as much as I can to be perpendicular to the way I'm making. Okay, so see here. Okay, then I'm going to make this. Okay, then and let's see what I can do here. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to end it here. Oh no, this is gonna be so much crossing. Okay, let's end it here. Alright, so our road is like 1 kilo and 180 meters. Okay, so you're free to do your own road. Okay, this is just for the illustration, so you can make your road, you can adjust it, you can see if it's drawn properly. If it's not drawn properly, you can choose another path. Okay, you can click on it like this, okay, and play with it, like, oh, change it like that. Maybe if you feel If you feel like this, you can change it from here to here. So you can choose your own method for making your horizontal alignment. The thing is, try not to cross perpendicular contour lines and not to make your horizontal alignment without curves for more than 5,000 meters. Okay, this is all for this video. Okay, I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for your watching, and I wish you a good day.